Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes someone who is refined, polite, or of good taste, genteel. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is genteel. Let's break it down. First, we have gen, which rhymes with ten and sounds like the gen in gentle. Next is teel, which rhymes with feel and is stressed. Now, let's put it all together. Genteel. Try repeating after me. Genteel. Now a little faster. Genteel. And at full speed. Genteel. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Genteel refers to someone who is polite, refined, or well-mannered, often with an air of sophistication or upper-class status. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce genteel and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.